So this is where the car is. There's a track there, which is basically two ruts and a big wedge of snow down the whole middle of it. Car is almost dug out to where it could be pulled back, but there's no real road to get it onto if that happens. So this is where we are here in New Bedford still. Sidewalk is dug out to the corner, but not past the corner. And we'll just walk back, I think, this way. The neighbors dug this out so they could have a little bit of a space for the dogs. And there is, on this side, a little bit of a track maybe. So people are making progress. Yeah, see, there's this, which kind of goes off that way, and I think, no, it doesn't go this way. People are still shoveling out that way, but if I was right there on that corner, I'd be able to get in, but the rest of the road is still not good yet.